back to do a video. Actually, I ordered something. I pulled one of them stunts like my mama be doing. Look at an infomercial and order some stuff and be having a whole bunch of stuff collected. But on this, I think it was a Sunday. They had an infomercial for Backstage beauty lights. Yeah, and I decided to order it because I was going to make my vanity stuff back here, but I needed a good light because I don't have a light up here yet, and I got sick of dragging my YouTube, you know, like the recording lights up here. So I ordered this, and it is the Backstage beauty lights, and it comes like this. And when you open it, you get a little card, and it says, "Hey beautiful, get ready to see yourself in a whole new light. Now you can have the same Hollywood style lighting the professionals use in your home. Soft, balanced lighting illuminates your face for flawless skincare and makeup application each and every time. Don't forget to consult the enclosed quick start guide so you can get started right away. It's so easy. Just press light, makeup, and go." And they have a Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook, Backstage Beauty Lights. So, with this thing, you get the lights and a little, what is this? Suede? Whatever, y'all. One of these little pouches like this. The quick start, if I can get it out. Quick start beauty guide. Yeah, lots of thumbnail, so it's hard. And the little suction cups, so I guess you could like put it on your mirror or whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna rig that up some different because that's not gonna stick to my wall right there. And then they gave me a little, what is this? Like 10 times the mirror type thing. Like that. So, yeah. They were, I think you do like 2 payments of $19 for 2. You could do 2 payments. They have a set. You can get 2 or 4. I think the 4 was 2 payments of $40-some. But, yeah. So, yeah, I haven't. And you can get them in white, or I think it was silver, or down here it'd be silver, but I just got the white one. The little thing where the suction cups go down here, the little battery thing. So yeah, I'm going to put some batteries in here, and then I'm going to come back and we're going to cut them on. I hope this works so I can really see my face when I do my makeup. Okay, hold on, y'all. Okay, y'all. So I managed to put the batteries in, and I even put the suction cups on one of them so you guys can see them. Let's see, where's the lever? I haven't cut it on yet, so I don't want to blind you guys. You might need to look away or whatever you're gonna do. Okay, ready? Woo! Oh, y'all, how many settings? Just the one? That's bright. That's really bright. Let's see. God, that is good. That's real good. Yes. Okay, y'all, it's good. It's really good. And I guess they got it set up where you could travel with these. Like if you're travel. What up? Yeah, I'm always about to tear up something. But I guess it's good like if you're a traveling makeup artist, if you just want to travel with these things or whatever to slay your makeup no matter where you go. Because they also give you a little case. It's a hard case with the little things in there. This one that fell off. But guess what, y'all? So, after I ordered this thing, while it was playing on infomercial, I hurried up and wrote the number down. But before I ordered it, I wanted to get on YouTube because, you know, you can find anything on YouTube. I wanted to get on there to see, has anybody ever bought this or how good it is. So when I get on there, it's a lot of videos on this thing. And guess what I got it from? Was it Influencer? That's it. They got it off there and it was sent to them from there. And I was looking like, ain't that about a bitch? Yeah. So if you can get on there and get it, I don't know if they're still on there, but that's where a lot of people got them from. And if you qualify, go over there and get it from them if you can. But if not, $20. Well, $40. That's not bad either. So just get you some. I paid for this with my own money. But yeah, y'all, you put 4 batteries in this. I would say get some alkaline batteries for long use because it depends on how long it takes you to do your makeup. But yeah, I'll get the alkaline for these 4 each. 4 batteries each. I seen in the influencer review, they came with batteries. Mine did not. So know that you put 4 batteries in each. Guys, and it's good. So I'm going to show you how it looks when I put it out. It's put up. They're a little uneven. It's okay. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm super excited because I don't have to use this other light over here anymore. So as you can see, they're pretty bright. Very bright. So guys, hope you enjoy. Bye. To be in my vlog. And thank you guys for watching my video, and go over there and get it if you like, and let me know down below when you received it, or if you got it or you had seen it before. Let me know. And I thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.